everyone. Today we're gonna see and break the surface tension of water. First, we're gonna need water, like I said before. Then a plate. I choose the green one. And then some soap, any soap. Then black pepper. So what you do is take the water, pour it around your plate. Okay? Since mine is not enough, I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Okay, it's covered. Now, I'm gonna take the black pepper, sprinkle it around the plate. This is not enough, so I'm gonna make it more until it's covered. Like this. Now, what you're gonna do is put the soap, dip your hand into the soap. And then, see, you saw what happened? This is because when we put the black pepper, it is a surface tension. It forms a surface tension. But when we dip the soap into the water, it breaks that surface tension, causing them to move. Well, you cannot try it again. The thing is, you have to sprinkle it. Okay? That's for today.